Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Pad 3D and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with making sure that you've got the internet connection it is required and then enter the Play Store. You will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. If you're not sure how to do it, simply check our tutorial. I've just recorded it, and of course you can also log in right here or sign up. After that, tap on the circle which is your account and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Now we have to enter Manage, and this is the list of all installed apps, so let's tap on Updates Available. Unfortunately, in my case, I've got only one. However, if you want to, you can update all of the apps. Simply mark all of those which are listed here and tap on Update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.